Good morning. This is Dr. Friedlander, and in this short little mini lesson, I want to talk about a protocol for accommodations in reading. And this application or procedure started out as paper-based and has now moved onto the computer. We use the term PAR as a short abbreviation for protocols for accommodation in reading, and typically what we're looking at is that we're using this as an assessment strategy. And you'll see in a little bit the components of it. And in this assessment strategy, we're going to learn about how the student comprehension skills can be impacted by the use of text-to-speech on the computer, or its impact based on human adult audio. One of the concerns that we have is we think about students sitting in the classroom who may be reading below grade level. What impact would it have if we gave them supports using text-to-speech, or if we gave them the ability to listen to a teacher read that same text out loud? Would their comprehension be impacted? And especially for a lot of students who have diagnosis of a specific learning disability, this can be really important from the perspective of what materials we give them and how we allow them to access the text. So this is really important. So PARS originally started out as a paper-based application in which it was actually administered by an evaluator or a teacher, and then the company Don Johnston released it as a computer-based assessment so that the student could take this entirely on the computer, and they renamed it Universal Protocols for Accommodations for Reading. So using a computer, uPAR can do a couple things. One, it can check the independent reading level of a student. When they're reading a book. Number two, it can measure the reading level with an adult reader or a teacher. And three, it can measure the reading level with text on a computer. A text reader, so on a computer. And then we typically would refer to this as, text to speech. And the whole idea of this is to look to see what the differences are. Can the student who's reading below grade level, can their comprehension, does it improve when they're able to listen to an adult reader read the text, or does it improve when they're able to use text to speech? So uPAR can be really helpful as an accommodation and to give teachers a perspective on what accommodations would be most appropriate for the student with a disability. So what I'm going to do is, besides put this up for you, is also provide you with some videos from Don Johnston, that's the publisher of this tool, and then ask some questions about this. So I hope you enjoy this module.